So the question is, from the following data, find f of 2.1 and f of 2.9. And the data is x of is 2, 1.7, 2.2, 0.3424, 2.4, 0.4149, 2.6, 0.4772, 2.8, 0.4472, 3, 0.3802. So these are the data. So here in the given question, actually this is capital R by 10, where I ask you to take your roll number as capital R. So here I took capital R equal to 17, 17 divided by 10, that is 1.7. Okay, so I will show you if this one is different, what will happen. Okay, so first with this data, we are going to find these two values. We are going to extrapolate these two values. So you can see that this one is the starting value and this one is the last value, and 2.1 is very close to 2. So we can use Newton's forward difference extrapolation formula to extrapolate this one, and 2.9 is very close to 3, so we can use Newton's backward difference extrapolation formula. So first we are going to find f of 2.1 using forward difference. So first we have to find the forward difference table. So for the purpose, the forward difference table is determined. Okay, by using the given data, we have to find the forward difference table. So this is x of 2, 1.7, 2.2, 0.3424, 2.4, 0.4149, 2.6, 0.4772, 2.8, 0.4472, 3, 0.3802. So by using this f data, we have to find delta f, means first forward difference. So 0.3424 minus 1.7, that is minus 1.3576. 0.4149 minus 0.3424 is 0.0725. 0.4772 minus 0.4149 is 0.0623. 0.4472 minus 0.4772 is minus 0.03. 0.3802 minus 0.4472 is minus 0.067. So see, these are the first forward difference. Now by using this first forward difference, we have to find the second forward difference. So that is 0.0725 minus 1.3576 is 1.4301. 0.0623 minus 0.0725 is minus 0.0102. Minus 0.03 minus 0.0623 is minus 0.0923. Minus 0.067 minus 0.03 is minus 0.037. So these are the second order forward difference. So by using this data, we have to find the third order forward difference. So that is minus 0.0102 minus 1.4301 is minus 1.4403. Minus 0.0923 minus 0.0102 is minus 0.0821. Minus 0.037 minus 0.0923 is 0.0553. So these are the third order finite forward difference data. Okay. So now by using the third order forward difference, we have to find the fourth order forward difference. So that is minus 0.0821 minus 1.4403 is 1.3582. 0.0553 minus 0.0821 is 0.1374. So these are the fourth order finite forward difference. So using this data, we have to find the fifth and last order difference of this given data, that is delta raised to 5. So that is 0.1374 minus 1.3582, that is minus 1.2208. So please note, in order to find the f of 2.1, we have to use the first row of this table. Okay, because this one is a finite forward difference table. In order to find the f of 2.9, either you need to find the backward difference table. The interesting thing is, the last row of backward difference table is nothing but this one, the last data of each column of this forward difference table. This data is actually the last row of backward difference. You can see that. Okay. So by using the first row, we are going to find the we are going to extrapolate f of 2.1. So here the given point is 2.1. So xp is equal to 2.1. This xp is 2.1. This is xp. Okay. So this is xp. Okay. Now here this first data is taken as x0. So x0 equal to 2. H is equal to the difference between the adjacent data. So x1 minus x0, that is 2.2 minus 2 is 0.2. So p is equal to xp minus x0, this is xp minus x0 divided by h. So that is equal to 2.1 minus 2 divided by 0.2 equal to 0.5. So this is p. Now what is finite forward difference extrapolation formula, Newton's? That is fn of x is equal to f0 plus p into delta f0 plus p into p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square f0 plus etc. plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 into etc. into p minus n minus 1 divided by n factorial into delta raised to n f0. So this is fn of x as per Newton's forward interpolation formula or extrapolation formula. So what is fn of 2.1? Fn of 2.1 is equal to f0, that is 1.7 plus p into delta f minus 1.3576 plus p into p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square f, that is 1.4301 plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube f0, that is minus 1.4403 plus 0.5, that is p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 into p minus 3 divided by 4 factorial into delta raised to 4 f0, that is this value 1.3582 plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 into p minus 3 into p minus 4 divided by 5 factorial into delta raised to 5 f0, that is minus 1.2208. Okay. So this is equal to, the each terms are 1.7, this is 1.7. This term is minus 0.6788. This term is minus 0.1788. This term is minus 0.09. Then this term is minus 0.0531. This term is minus 0.0334. So the final value of fn of 2.1 is 0.6659. So this is a value of f of 2.1. Okay. So now we are asked to find f of 2.9. I told you we can use these last elements of each column, but I am going to write the backward difference table. It is very easy if you know the forward difference table. Shift these elements by 1 position, shift these elements by 2 position, shift these elements by 3 position, shift this one by 4 position, and this one to this last part. So our table will be this one. So this one is a backward difference table. or we can find it by taking the difference of current value minus the previous value. We can find the backward difference, where this one is x column, this is f column, this is del f first backward difference, del square f second backward difference, del cube f third backward difference, del raised to 4f the fourth backward difference, del raised to 5f the fifth backward difference. Okay, so here again, what is xp? We are finding f. We are going to find f of 2.9. So this is xp actually. Now what is xn? We have to take the last one as the reference, that is 3. So xn is equal to, because we are going to use the last row for our calculation. So here xn is equal to 3. This one is xn. Now what about h? H is the difference between adjacent data, 3 minus 2.8, that is 0.2. You can take the difference between any adjacent data, because this one is a finite difference. Now what about p? P is equal to xp minus xn divided by h. So that is equal to 2.9 minus 3 divided by 0.2 equal to minus 0.5. So now what is Newton's backward difference extrapolation formula? That is fn of x is equal to f0 plus p del fn plus p into p plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into del square fn plus etc. plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 into etc. into p plus n minus 1 divided by n factorial into del raised to n fn. So this one is Newton's backward extrapolation formula. If I told you if x is variable, then it is an interpolation formula also. So what about fn of x? Fn of x is equal to this 0.3802, this one, plus p into del fn, that is this value, minus 0.067 plus p into p plus 1 divided by 2 factorial. P is minus 0.5, p plus 1 is 0.5 divided by 2 factorial into del square fn, that is minus 0.037 plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into del cube fn, that is plus 0.0553 plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 into p plus 3 divided by 4 factorial into del raised to 4 fn, that is 0.1374 plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 into p plus 3 into p plus 4 divided by 5 factorial into del raised to 5 fn, that is this value, minus 1.2208. So each terms are, we can write it as 0.3802 first term. This one is plus 0.0335. This term is plus 0.0046. This term is minus 0.0035. This term is minus 0.0054. And the last term is plus 0.0334. So these are the values. Okay. So what is the final answer? The final answer is 0.4428. This is the final answer, 0.4428. So I can show you, this is a calculation I used Excel sheet. Okay. So this is the forward difference table, and I use this last row to find the f of 2.9 means backward difference. Okay. So here this is forward difference 2.1. So here I use the forward difference table. This is f0. This is p into f0. This is p into p minus 1. P into p minus 1 into del square f0 divided by 2. 4 means the significant digits, 4 significant digits, etc. Okay. And here I use backward difference. So this is backward difference. So this is p into c6 means this value. So that is del, I told you the last one. So this is del fn. then this is p into p plus 1 into this value, that is del square fn divided by 2 factorial. So like that it will go. So this is backward difference. So first we can check whether this forward difference extrapolation is correct or not. How to check that? So at the given points, the interpolated function and extrapolated function means the given function, the unknown function and the interpolated function will be same at the given point. So we have to check corresponding to 2, what is the value? So this is the final answer. So corresponding to 2, what is the value? 1.7. So that one is a given point, right? Corresponding to 2.2, what is the value? 0.3424, again given value. Corresponding to 2.2, this one. Corresponding to 2.8, what is the value? Corresponding to 2.8, this is the value, 0.4472. So this in the extrapolation, the Newton finite forward extrapolation is correct here. So we can use 2.1. Similarly, the backward difference. So this is backward difference I told you. So instead of 2.9, in order to check whether this backward difference is correct or not, says 3, corresponding to 3 what we have, 0.3802. So that is correct. So corresponding to 2.4, we have 0.4149. So that is correct. So these two equations are right, correct. Now I told you the first data is actually capital R by 10. So instead of 17, if I am taking something around 2, what will happen? So 2 means 2 by 10, that is 0.2. So now the data is changed. So for different student, this table will be different. So corresponding to R equal to 2, this is 0.2. So we have to check again, is it correct or not? So 2, it will give 0.2, 2.4, it will give 0.4149. So there is no problem. So there is no need to check it again. So this is f of 2.1, that is equal to 0.2967, and f of 2.9 is 0.4018 if it is 0.2. So what about the student with register number, roll number 54? That is R by 10 is 54 by 10, 5.4. So this is 5.4. Then this is the data. Okay, so for different student, this data will be different. So I used 1.7 here. Okay. So for me, this one is the data.